Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mamta Wadhil, a practicing vitreoretina and cataract surgeon. This is a disease, as the name suggests, this is a disease of old patients. So any patient who is more than 50 years of age have high risk of developing ARMD. Risk factors, one is age, that is more than 50 years. Second is high exposure to UV rays or sunlight. So the patients who have more exposure to such UV rays are more prone to develop this disease. Third is not a proper diet. They say that if your diet is not good, that you can have early age-related macular degeneration. Patients having history of smoking has high risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. So these are the high-risk factors. When we examine, as I said, that examination can be done with the help of slit lamp, 90D, indirect ophthalmoscopy. So when we examine patient, there are again stages of these ARMD diseases. Most commonly, we divide them into dry and wet ARMD. In dry ARMD, we just see few deposits at the underneath of the retinal layer, that is RPE layer. These deposits initially, they doesn't cause any problem to the patient, but eventually if the disease progresses, they may cause leaking, bleeding and swelling in the macula. Now after diagnosing, the mainstay treatment of wet ARMD is again injection. Injections have their course, like we have antibiotic course that we have to finish the dose. Similarly, the ARMD, wet ARMD have to have a proper course to be finished. Various studies says that minimum 3 injection for wet ARMD is ideal to avoid either the recurrences or to decrease the number of injections in their whole lifetime. Now, once we have given injection, we always tell patients to follow up properly, because the swelling or the bleeding can recur in these patients. So initially after a month, then after 3 months, then after 6 months, then yearly. This is how we keep calling patients. So in ARMD, follow-up is very important. It is not like that once you have been treated, you will not get the recurrence. So you should be always taking a proper consultation as a follow-up with your retina surgeon. There is something known as home Amsler grid. So in early stage where we just see, precursor, those drusen's on the macula, we tell patients to, see a chart. This chart we always have in our OPD. We ask patient to wear the glasses, cover one eye and see those charts. Every day, or at least ideally every day, or at least once in a week, patient should see that chart. And any waviness, any distortion or increase in waviness if happens, I ask patient to report immediately, because that is the earliest when we can, catch the disease, or we can, diagnose the disease on time. There are many AREDS for 2 formulations which has come up. They say that, if you take this, lutein, zeaxanthin, magnesium, zinc, etc., that will, increase your retinal health and may eventually either delay or, slow down the progression of the ARMD disease. So we can try those tablets or supplements as well. And as I always say, prevention is better than cure. In this disease, I won't say, but then yes, if you come on time to your retina surgeon, then definitely the disease can be tackled well and your vision can be restored well.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.